Very good afternoon, dear students, my dear colleagues, and very uh, happy Navratra to one and all. And at the outset, myself, Dr. Swati from Amity Institute of Indian System of Medicines. I welcome Dr. Satyendra Kumar Rajput. He is the head Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Gurukul Kangi University, Haridwar, and he's being today with us in an important workshop which is being organized on the theme Ideation to Publication Aspiring Minds, which is the most relevant topic for our students in the current scenario. I feel pleasure to inform that Dr. Rajput has did his MS Pharm in Pharmacology and Toxicology from NIPER in Mohali in 2006 and was a gold medalist with the grade 9.38. And thereafter, he did PhD in pharmacology and toxicology from NIPER Mohali in 2011. He has also received many awards and professional recognitions. There are a lot of scientific contributions, publication, research papers to his credit. And besides, he has also done foundation course in yoga, sciences for wellness, qualified yoga instructor by Yoga Certification Board, and certification course in yoga for protocol instructor from Raji Desai National Institute of Yoga. Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. I'm happy to inform that Rajput sir was a professor of pharmacology and toxicology at Amity Institute of Pharmacy for past 7 years. And during this period, he also been a founder director of this institute, Amity Institute of Indian System of Medicines, with us for 2 years. And during his tenure at AISM, he contributed a lot towards the development of this institute and made Amity Institute of Indian System of Medicine remarkable by his sincere and untiring efforts. So thanks a lot, Dr. Rajput sir, for sparing your valuable time out of your busy schedule to deliver a lecture on the wonderful topic. And I hope students, this workshop will be encouraging and enlightening for all of the participants. So we welcome you once again. Thank you so much, sir. And over to you, Dr. Rajput, sir.
Can activate share screen so that I can share also is not available.
ललित जी सर को शेयर ऑप्शन दे दीजिए.
Firstly, I am very thankful to Indian System of Medicine. On this call, what I can see Dr. Khan, Dr. Vindam, and Sudhanshu here. So I hope that this particular session I will try to focus how you can actually ideate. Today we discuss about what would be an idea and how you can implement, because many of the students belongs to the yoga. So I'll take one example of yoga and how actually idea you perceive and how you can process that going to discuss. Okay.
Dr. Rajput, your voice is not coming properly.
Okay. Okay, tell me when you able to get good voice.
Yeah, it is okay now.
Okay. So what I was telling that the idea which we are going to discuss, it basically depends on the 2-3 factors for whom idea is, how you will do. If you take one example, means for idea you need to develop certain kind of keywords. That is very important. And how you will get the keyword. What are the different things you need to consider. Before going with this thing, I will just try to make you understand with very small example. And slide. And Share the whiteboard. So it will be directly sir. Stop sharing. Okay, I think you can see my whiteboard. So I try to make you understand with very basic points. One idea, if I talk about very simple idea. Nowadays, you are able to get certain insight and certain on news items about the emerging case of heart attacks. बहुत सारे केसेस आपने देखे होंगे हार्ट अटैक्स के आ रहे हैं. Now, how we can generate idea and what we can do, being a yoga professional, being a business person, or being a researcher, or what could be a ideal also. Ideal in the sense, इसको हम बोलते हैं legacy. So here I will give four ideas for all kind of people. The person may be yoga professional, person may be business professionals, or the researcher, or the lazy. Whenever you there is an issue with the voice, please tell me. Voice is okay?
Yes, 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 you can
सर
continue.
ये
मतलब प्रॉपरली फ्लो में नहीं आ रही, थोड़ी थोड़ी क्रैक फॉर्म में आ रही है. Students are reporting for the sound is cracking actually. Dr. Rajput sir. Students, we are being sorry for the, I think some there's net problem issues from cell size. So I think we should wait for 1-2 minutes. Student, just wait for sir is coming soon, joining us yesterday. Be patient, student. The student sir is joining us, and I think due to technical issues, net issues, it will be resolved very soon. Just be patient. Yes, sorry for this. एक मिनट. ललित जी, सर का अटेंडीज में फिर से चेक कीजिए. मोबाइल से अटैच जो है उसको इसमें पैनलिस्ट में कर दीजिए.
हेलो, अभी आवाज है?
हाँ सर अभी क्लियर है.
Yes, yes, voice is clear now.
सर
Okay.
सर आपने वीडियो ऑफ कर लीजिए. वीडियो ऑफ कर लीजिए सर. आप ना पीपीटी शेयर कर लीजिए सर.
Okay.
तो शायद हाँ सर. पीपीटी शेयर कर लीजिए सर. मे बी नेटवर्क का कुछ इशू है शायद. Yes sir, PPT is visible now sir. Sir, I think you are muted sir. Dr. Sir.
Raj, so you are muted now. Dr. Rajput sir, you are muted. Your voice is not coming to us. Students, kindly write in the chat box about your research ideas, your keywords regarding the research. And sir is joining us within 5 minutes again. So give your ideas. What are your ideas regarding research about yoga? Give the keywords mentioned in the chat box, and then sir will be joining us and he will reply us. Till that time, just mention about your research ideas. What are your proposals regarding the yoga? First, regarding yoga, we participated. ललित chat disabled आ रही है students के तरफ से के लिए. It is not unable for them.
हेलो, यस मैम. हेलो,
ललित जी कृपया चार्ट को अनेबल कर दीजिए स्टूडेंट की तरफ से ना. दिस इज डिसेबल्ड फ्रॉम द
चैट
स्टूडेंट.
इनेबल्ड है सर.
Yes, I can see the chat from Divya, MSc student. Effect of integrated approach of yoga therapy based rehabilitation of program. Okay, so students kindly participate and write down your ideas regarding the research. Yes. ललित जी अटेंडेंस लिस्ट में है डॉक्टर राजपूत, वहां से उनको पिक कर लीजिए. ललित जी, ललित जी.
Hello.
Yes sir, we
Yes,
can
sir.
hear you now.
अभी भी और-
Dr. Rajput sir, we can hear you
Hello.
now. Yes, we can hear you.
क्या मैं नेट नहीं कर पाते बोल रहा हूँ.
Your voice is coming now.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. There is a lot of challenge.
Yes, yes.
And there is a many ideas required to solve. Actually, I was discussing the ideas are nothing but the ways to solve the problem. So what I was discussing is that the people can write the keyword. Students can participate by writing the keyword so that when we meet tomorrow, we must have a strategy or way out so that we can write at least a paper, a review paper, or any kind of report you can develop. So how the idea you can create, how you can transform it so that it can be a research, it can be a business model, or it could be of any kind of thing. Because while you are doing the yogic practices, naturally we need to have ways to find out how you can transform this particular into the business, because this is the need of our. And as the Indian system of medicine institute is to have the scientific temper, that is very important. So before coming to my talk, I am very thankful to Sudhanshu Verma, Dr. Vinam, Dr. Madan, and the Dean Professor Rishi Dasar, and all the MIT officials. Now consider the issue which is nowadays taking a very challenging, or you can say it is a affecting lot of many people. The person who is affected or not affected with COVID-19 is so heart attack, which is occurring, and I have seen many of this infection of hours very, very closely related or very nearby regions. So what you need to do? What should done so that you can do the research, you can do the business. And now I will discuss about the heart attack, one keyword, and how yoga can play a very, very major role in that. You know the preconditioning. I will give one idea, and this you can categorize it in 4 ways. One is for the business person who have the business mind. Another is the person who has the research attitude. Third one is the yoga professional, yoga practitioner. And fourth is the lazy person, the person who is himself lazy. I think network is okay, Dr. Vinamra?
So, you're audible, but sometimes, sir, it is breaking in between.
I've done a lot of things.
Students have to do research on this also.
But still, we are eagerly to listening you, sir, because it's very interesting, and students are still asking so many that comments and in the chat box also.
Students have mentioned in
Okay.
the chat box also. You can go through that.
Okay, let me see if actually this.
Because whenever we have listened you, sir, always the new words or new things you have always giving
Yes,
us.
now you can see. Now, voice okay?
Yes,
Perfect,
yes.
sir. Perfect. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now, can we have any idea that without doing anything, can we protect our heart? Even not yoga, I would suggest that even not doing yoga, can we make our heart strong?
Yes.
Because this is the need of our. So how we can do that? Because these ideas can transform in a way that many people are looking. You know that the laziness is day by day increasing. Our students, sometimes we also become so much lazy, and this leads to number of diseases. Can we have the laziness solution for that problem? The lazy solution for heart attack. I think chat box is open, so we can see that.
Shan Chaudhary is
Okay,
writing, why do people get muscle cramps in yoga?
Yeah. So that things we will take and we develop the report on that. So my first question is the lazy solution for preventing the heart attacks. Okay, anyone is? I think no one is lazy in this group.
Priya Bandhavi is writing that being active and engaged.
That is
Okay,
quite true.
very good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I
Be
want that
positive
if
also.
people-
Be positive also.
Okay, I'll
Positive
give you one
mind, positive.
exercise. I'll make you one understanding. Can we have a room? Can we develop a room? And by sitting in that particular room, we can protect our heart. So idea is by doing nothing, we can make our muscles strong. Not only the muscle that Ishan Chaudhary is mentioning. So here we are talking about cardiac muscles. So here, simple thing is there. You know, the word is works on the demand and supply. Demand and supply. So when there is a reduced supply or when there is an excessive demand, what will happen? There will be mismatching. Right? So what we need to do, we have to condition our heart in a way that it gets reduced oxygen supply. So we try that we should get oxygen as much as we can. because today only our Prime Minister is inaugurating many oxygen generator at Uttarakhand. So you know the problem really is of oxygen, which has already somehow we have crossed over that problem. But here what I am talking about that artificially, if we reduced supply to the heart, what will happen? Yes, any answer on that? Okay, so heart muscles will try to work more. Sometimes they may get fatigue or if it persistently. Hindi we can use Hindi as well. Yes, can you use Hindi as well?
Just repeat the question again.
Dr. Vinam, you are able to get my voice. Can we use Hindi?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो अब जो हमारा हार्ट है उसको हम लोग जानबूझ के ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई को रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं. वो कैसे किया जा सकता है? यू कैन हैव दी CO2 bath chamber, CO2 bath chamber, or you can have the bath chamber, or you can have the chamber which have the more CO2. Concentration of CO2 is little more. So here what you have the regulated environment in which you have just introduced little amount of carbon dioxide, CO2. Proportion is little higher, not up to that much it can damage, but it will activate the heart. So heart will be activated. You are doing nothing. You are just lazy. So this solution is for lazy person. So lazy person can do without doing anything. You know that can have also a business model. Number of you can say the parlor or number of this infrastructure can be created in which the person need to just go visit and have to just take the rest over there and he will come up, his heart muscles will be stronger. So this solution is for the lazy person. Now what about the yoga professionals? So what yoga professionals will do, they will do the yogic practices in which the demand of oxygen supply will be more than the supply. So demand will be more. You can artificially accelerate your heart muscles by doing the सूक्ष्म व्यायाम. सूक्ष्म व्यायाम ले सकते हैं. बहुत सारे yogic exercises you can do. Now what you can do is that supply of oxygen is little less, right, than required. So here heart muscles need to do little work. But this could be the challenging if it is done in an aggressive manner or in a day. If it is repeated again and again, अगर हम इसको बार बार रिपीट करते हैं तो क्या होगा? हमारी मसल्स जो हार्ट मसल्स होंगी वो कंडीशनड हो जाएंगी. प्री कंडीशनिंग जिसको बोलते हैं, धीरे धीरे वो कंडीशन होती जाएंगी और एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब हमारे जो मसल्स हैं वो स्ट्रेंथन हो जाएंगी. अब अगर मसल्स स्ट्रेंथन हो जाएंगी, नेचुरल सी बात है, जो हार्ट अटैक या इस तरह की चीजें आ रही हैं, ठीक है, उसको हम लोग कंपनसेट कर सकते हैं बिकॉज हमने हार्ट की मसल्स को, हार्ट के वेसल्स को और हमारे पूरे सिस्टम को इस तरह से ट्रेन किया है कि इट कैन, इफ देयर इज अ रिड्यूस्ड सप्लाई आल्सो इट कैन मैनेज और मेंटेन. तो ये बात तो हो गई आपकी योगिक प्रैक्टिशनर की. नाउ बात करते हैं साइंटिफिक अप्रोच की. अब हम बात करते हैं किस तरह से हम इसमें साइंस को ले आए, किस तरह से हम इसको ड्रग डिस्कवरी के फॉर्म में देखें, या इसी चीज को हम किस तरह से एक मल्टी मिलेनियल आइडिया में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. पहला था सोल्यूशन लेजी पीपल के लिए, यू कैन क्रिएट एनवायरनमेंट. Second one was the yoga professional who can do the exercises and maintain their heart muscles stronger and supply blood supply good. And third was the having these scientific approaches. So here we must understand there are certain enzymes in our body. So these enzymes get sometime activated, कभी वो activated हो जाते हैं, कभी inactivated form में रहते हैं, depend upon requirement. इन्हीं में से एक enzyme होता है GSK3 बीटा एंजाइम, जो अगर ओवर एक्सप्रेस होता है, ज्यादा एक्टिव होता है, तो हमारा हार्ट जो है वो डैमेज होने के चांसेस रहते हैं. मतलब हम थोड़ा सा जो डैमेजिंग है वो चांस बढ़ जाता है. तो हमें क्या करना है, उस एंजाइम को सप्रेस करना है. इसके लिए अगर मल्टीप्लेनियर आइडिया है तो यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई ड्रग मॉलिक्यूल व्हिच इज हैविंग द GSK3 beta inhibiting activities, or you can go for yogic practices, or you can create an environment. So that way simple thing can have multiple approaches. So what I am trying to tell you that just identify a key issue. One key issue you need to identify. So that key issue, how you can get. So idea actually is, our talk is that we need to identify a problem. If we do not have any problem, then there is no issue. So what we need to do, the world is witnessing lot of change around, troublesome, lot many haphazard things is happening, and our brain, trying to compensate that. As you have mentioned, always we need to be positive. So we know that be positive होने से बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, लेकिन sometimes situations arises such that कि हम लोग उसको जानते हुए भी नहीं रहता. योग में समत्वम योग उच्यते, आप इक्विलिब्रियम के बारे में समझते हैं, जानते हैं. तो हमने क्या करना है, we need to identify a idea, and idea should be what kind of, किस तरह का आइडिया होना चाहिए. आइडिया आपके अंदर इस तरह का होना चाहिए जो आपके अंदर जिद, जुनून और पागलपन पैदा करे. जो फाउंडर डॉक्टर अशोक के चौहान है, उनका 3 वर्ड्स हैं जिसके थ्रू वो अपनी बात को रखते हैं. एक है जुनून. आपके अंदर खुद में जुनून होना चाहिए. जुनून किसके लिए? उस आइडिया को पूरा करने के लिए. वो जुनून कहाँ से आएगा? जब आपके सेंटिमेंट्स, आपका कनेक्ट उस चीज से होगा. आपके सेंटिमेंट्स, आपका कनेक्ट जब उस प्रॉब्लम से होगा, once you feel that this problem is belongs to you, this problem is not somebody else, this problem is yours, then somehow you will connect through your sentiments. And once there is a attachment for that particular problem, so in yoga you heard about detachment about from the things, right? But for doing something, we need to have the passion, and this passion or junoon will come when you start feeling that whatever you are doing, maybe you are not materialistically attached with that, but if your mission is nation building, if your mission is society building, so naturally you can connect with that particular idea. Now, you know that many of us have lose our relatives, near and dear ones in this particular COVID-19. And this situation actually gave us a lot of things that we need to prepare ourselves in a way that in future, if such thing occurs, we must tackle them. एक शेर होता है जो आपने सुना होगा, तू डाल डाल में पात पात. क्योंकि जो बीमारियां हैं उनको मैं कहता हूं कि वो डाल डाल हैं. अगर उससे बचना है तो हमें क्या है, उससे भी ज्यादा क्रिएटिव होना पड़ेगा, उससे ज्यादा अपना स्ट्रेटेजिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग होना पड़ेगा. देन ओनली हम इस तरह की बीमारियों से या इस तरह की चीजों से अपने आप को बचा पाएंगे. तो यहाँ पे है, आप कैसे आइडिया को आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. तो आज पहला जो मेरा मैसेज आप लोगों के लिए है, जो आप कल मुझसे शेयर करोगे, वो होगा आपका एक कीवर्ड. जिस आइडिया को आप काम करना चाहते हो या आप कल चाहते हो कि वो जो रिपोर्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाए, वो आपका, चाहे वो रिसर्च के फील्ड में आप रिसर्च करना चाहते हो, तो रिसर्च के फॉर्म में आपके पास मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट हो या फिर आपके पास एक स्ट्रेटजिकली जिसको हम बोलते हैं सिस्टमेटिक रिव्यू हो या फिर समरी रिव्यू हो, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं वो उनका इतना एक्सपर्टीज रिसर्च में नहीं होगा, बट दे कैन आल्सो हैव द समरी रिव्यू जो समरी फॉर्म ऑफ रिव्यू होते हैं या डिस्क्रिप्टिव रिव्यू होते हैं वो आप लाके कर सकते। फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट what is an idea, how to get an idea. So I mentioned that you can search through the keywords because field you have to choose. You can take the any asanas, you can take any disease, or you can take any scenario and you can do systemic review, meta-analysis, or you can just have the survey. And here sometimes we know the solution, we know the problem and we know the solution. And most of the cases in which we deal with the yoga practices, we know the practice, we know the outcomes. Two things we know. What we know? One is the problem, somebody having the diabetes. And another thing is, you know that if he is doing regularly Mandukasana, there will be decrease in the sugar level, means insulin level will be high. So that you know what we need to do. We need to just translate into the research. So how you can do that? So there is no difficulty in that. We can just find out the people who are actually following the Mandukasanas. Many people are following. So you can just take people who do not follow that particular asanas and the people who are doing, just do survey kind of a study you can do that. Believe me that one publication we have done, it is very bizarre. Terror of 10 MB. One publication we have done, that is terror of 10 MB. Ab situation was that कि जो आपके रेगुलेटरी बॉडी है वो डेटा को एक पर्टिकुलर लिमिट तक ही पोर्टल अफोर्ड कर सकता है। बहुत सारे आपने देखे होंगे पोर्टल्स हैं जहां पे उतना डेटा आप दे नहीं सकते। मींस व्हेन यू आर अपलोडिंग समटाइम्स पिक्चर 50 KB 200 KB, sometimes this kind of limitation are there, and expectation is that we must give everything. Means they are asking about your picture, one photograph, very good photograph they require, but they limit the size. Then their expectation is that photograph should be very good. It should be crystal clear, so people can identify very easily. So you can understand that this kind of situation industry is facing daily, routinely they face it. And solution is there, just increase the limit. So you have the solution, you have the problem in hand. So what we need to do? Just give some backing. So what we have done a small survey in which regulator, industry, student, the experts was participatory, and we have published it. And you will be happy to note that these particular recommendation lead that the size is increased. So the portal has now increased the size. There is no limit of 10 MB. So number of things, number of approaches there that can be done easily. What we need to have, the idea which you perceive, in which you want to devote yourself. That idea itself should have exciting. तो कलाम साहब कहते हैं ना कि सपने ऐसे देखना चाहिए जो सोने ना दे, नींद ही नहीं आने दे। स्वप्न इस तरह के होने चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं होने चाहिए कि सोते सोते ही स्वप्न देखते हो, है ना। तो उस बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए जो आपके अंदर आइडिया है, जिसके लिए आप करना चाहो, आपके अंदर पैशन होना चाहिए। अगर नहीं है तो ड्रॉप दैट आइडिया, डू नॉट डू वर्क ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड, गिव somebody else, excite somebody else so that he can do something. So first and foremost, now how we identify, because some people might not be knowing of any kind of issues or challenges. So just write in the Google, just get the world is facing challenges. Yeah, top 100 challenges of the word, any kind of things. If you put, you can get some kind of challenges are there. Now you just identify the keywords. You just identify the keywords. Once you get the keyword, try to search that keyword through the review articles. And review articles should be from the good publications like Nature's you can take, Cell you can take, or you can take any kind of good publication. You know, the idea is built upon the very substantial or very low grade publication will be crash landing. अगर आपका आइडिया ही आपने खुद जनरेट किया है वो भी बहुत ही सब स्टैंडर्ड पब्लिकेशन है तो बिलीव मी दैट विल बी द क्रैश लैंडिंग. अगर आपका आइडिया जो ओरिजिन है वो बहुत अच्छे द सोर्स से आ रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छे जो पीपल हैं व्हिच आर डूइंग पर्टिकुलर रिसर्च, so naturally you can land somewhere in a good way. So there are number of journals, number of sites like Science Direct, PubMed, iWire. You can search on that. So keyword. So now, first is that the keyword or the field or research, the problem, whatever you are selecting, that should excite you. That should give you a challenging, and you feel that if you're able to solve that, it will give you huge satisfaction. If you believe that, then only your energy will be more. Then only you can have more energy in that. Another thing, if we take now, you have 10, 15 review articles related to that problem or field. 10, 15 review articles of that particular field. Only read introduction and conclusion or future perspectives. That only. You just need to read the introduction, then read the future perspective or the conclusions. Why they have written these particular articles and what actually they are driving. So you will get a lot of insight in that, and you may get some gaps also. Because ultimately, as a researcher or as any the service provider is to bridge the gap. So gap could be anywhere. Gap could be in the knowledge. Gap could be into the any solution. So we have to bridge that particular gap. Now we have to identify that gap. And if you are able to identify the gap, next strategy is once you identify your topic. So what actually you are going to do? Topic in the sense, if we talk about very vague, so you just identify the field. As I mentioned, you can take the cardiac issues or cardiovascular problems. Then in that also you are very passionate about the heart attack because you're somebody near dear ones or somebody who inspires you or anybody is affected with the heart attack. So that field you will be more have some kind of passion. Now you will try to find out the ways what could be the solution for that. So here, after studying the review articles, that review articles should be from the good journal. Believe me, again I am saying that the whatever the information you are driving, that should be from the authentic source. Otherwise, number of misleading information you can get. But one information is also there, one kind of that research you can talk about. The research done by the Mandel, Gregor John Mandel, who has published in a very substandard journal or magazine. So what happens? The work he have done, it takes 100 years. Then only the people, scientists, discover same thing. So what we need to understand, your idea is derived from a very good journals. No. Once you want to do the research, believe me that it is not always that you have to do the experimental research. You require use facility. No. Sometimes mere interpretation, only interpretation can lead to get the Nobel Prize. Some people have got Nobel Prize only by interpretation of somebody else research. So the approach, ways, how differently you think, that is very important. So the thinking should be very differently and should be multidimensional. not in a way people are looking. If you find out different approaches, then it will be great. The third thing I will give you the insights about the research article. Now what will happen, you have identified your topic, you have identified your field. Now what we need to do? We have to conduct our research. Research could be survey, research could be experimental, interview, any kind of research could be there. So what we need to do, then we have to identify certain research articles that also will help in your strengthening your idea, whether you ever want to do in that. So read some of the good research articles and read 2 things only, not all things, only 2 things if you are able to read. One thing, just read the introduction. Just read the introduction, and in introduction itself, you will get that what actually the person, the researcher want to do. Introduction is written very passionately, जुनून के साथ introduction लिखा जाता है. कोई भी पर्सन जो रिसर्च करता है वो फुल जुनून के साथ उसको लिखता है, लेकिन जब वो एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन करता है तो उसके बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आते हैं, बहुत सारे सर्कमस्टेंसेस आते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजों को फेस करते हुए जब वो कंक्लूजन को लिखता है तो आपको बहुत आसानी से इंट्रोडक्शन और कंक्लूजन में आपको गैप मिल जाता है, क्योंकि उसने परसीव कुछ किया था, करना कुछ चाहता था, उसकी इच्छा थी कि बहुत कुछ ऐसा कर देगा जो लाइफ के लिए या वर्ल्ड के लिए पैराडाइम शिफ्ट होगा, लेकिन होता क्या है जब उस काम को करता है तो अल्टीमेटली जब कंक्लूजन की तरफ जाता है तो चीजें जो सोची होती हैं वो होती नहीं है, तो वहां पे वो सिर्फ माइट बी, मे बी, दिस वे, दैट वे, थोड़ा सा पॉलिटिकली घुमाने की कोशिश करते हैं. यहीं पे आपके लिए बहुत सारा आपके पास रिसोर्स मिलता है रिसर्च के लिए. यहीं पे आपको यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई हंड्रेड्स ऑफ गैप्स हियर, और जो आपके रिसर्च को आगे ले जाता है. So introduction and conclusion, if you read, if you find something mismatch, claim was something else in introduction, and in conclusion somehow you want that person is not able to do that because of technical issues, because of limited resources, because of limited infrastructure, could be anything that will lead to a one kind of topic for you, and you can go for that particular topic, take and do the research. I'll not take more time because tomorrow we'll again join, and tomorrow we will do more on a workshop kind of thing, hands-on training. So today we have done having a lot of difficulty in technical issues. Tomorrow we will not have that. So that I can assure you. Another thing, you can have you can increase little more time. So I'm okay with that. I can take as much as you want. So that ultimately I want to see that you should have something in your hand. Tomorrow, something in your hand. So homework for you is that find out the topic which excites you, which gives you a momentum, junoon, जिसके लिए you can have some kind of passion, जिद, और जिसके लिए एक पागलपन तक का स्टेज होता है जहाँ तक जाने की कोशिश कर सकते हो. तो बहुत टाइम में आएगी, पर अभी आप सिर्फ पैशनेट जिस चीज के लिए हो सकते हैं. जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई द टॉपिक, एक कीवर्ड आइडेंटिफाई कर दीजिए और 10 रिव्यू आर्टिकल उस कीवर्ड के आप आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए इंडिविजुअली. आई विल आस्क टुमारो ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन दैट you should have a 10 review article, and we will take some people's case study and we will try to develop a report, research article or review article then tomorrow only. So after you identify the 10 review articles from the good sources, try to read 2 things only, introduction and conclusion, or if there is future perspectives available with that, so that thing you need to do. So do only this thing. If you are more interested in the research, if they are PhD scholars, so meantime they will read 10 review articles, just introduction and conclusion. They will get some insights. So then identify the 10 research articles. I will take 1 or 2 articles from there. I will tell you how you can work in this particular field. So for today, I am very thankful to the organizing team. So we'll connect tomorrow as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rajput sir, for very enlightening and encouraging your giving your deep insight regarding the research to the students and research ideas. So I may say to all the students that as sir has mentioned, like you should bring some articles and your review articles and case studies so that it can be more interactive tomorrow at 3 to 4 p.m. again, and so that your questions can be carried out and further interaction or discussions can be carried out on the research topics you want to discuss. So thank you, sir, for giving your valuable time for the students. And if any query, students, you can post your questions here in the chat box. And over to you, Dr. Vinamra, sir. Thank you so much for the vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And at the outside, myself, Dr. Vinam Sharma from Amity Institute of Indian Institute of Medicine. On behalf of my university or institute, Amity Institute of Indian Institute of Medicine, I extend my sincere thanks to respected Professor Dr. Satyendra Rajput sir, Head Department of Pharmaceutical Science, Guru Kangdi University, Haridwar. Sir has conducted very well the first day of the workshop on the important topic, ideation to publication, aspiring mind. I hope the entire program may have provided the better understanding of the topic in the significant way. And the participant may have learned a lot. Like today, tomorrow program will also be very meaningful. And thank you so much, sir, and for the interaction and the valuable words. I'm also thankful Dr. Swati Madan ma'am, Assistant Director, Amity Institute of Indian Institute of Medicine, for her effort to make this program a success. Along with Dr. Sudhanshu Verma, my colleague, I'm thankful to all the participants and attendees for making the program purposeful for your presence. I'm also thankful once again for the IT personals for their kind supports. Thank you one and all. So be connected, and tomorrow the same timing. Please join at 3 p.m. So definitely we'll learn a lot and continue.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Students, be interactive for tomorrow's sessions, all the students, right? So thank you, everyone. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.